Okay, so I wanted to show you this app that I use with my lender. It's called Loanzify, I think, something like that. All right, great. So then once you open it, you create a basic account like anything else, email and phone number. And then once you're here, this is your base. Once you open it, this is for iPhone. I don't know how it shows on other platforms, but if you look at the bottom, it gives you a calculator option. Excuse me. So once you hit the calculator, it gives you what the options for purchase or refinance. In this case, it's for purchase, and then we have multiple options: FHA, conventional, or VA. For FHA, or either one that you choose, it's gonna pre-format, it's gonna pre-fill in the information that we need. The only thing you need to change is the price. So the difference between those loans is that FHA, it already comes excuse me, pre-filled in with 3.5% down payment. That's the bare minimum that we need for FHA. About 70% of buyers use that because that's kind of like the buyer's first option buyer for first-time home buyers. So then here we're going to use a $500,000 purchase price as an example for all the three options, because that's kind of like the average everywhere. That's low average. So then again, the down payment is already pre-formatted, and there it shows you the actual full payment. That's everything included: taxes, insurance, and everything. If you want to take a little step further and then see the breakdown, well, first you see the mortgage insurance, the actual payment, the hazard insurance, and taxes. But if you scroll down to details, and it's gonna open the actual cost for the entire processing the purchase. 3.5% down payment. You know, what else is going to cost you? What else is going to be as a cost for you? And again, everything's already pre-filled in. You don't have to worry about the interest rate because it's already based on the current interest rate, the current mortgage insurance. Mortgage insurance has increased more than double because of the current COVID situation. That's beyond the lender and real estate agents. All right, so then same thing with conventional. So if you could actually scroll up and down for the purchase price, or you could just type it in. You could actually move up or down your down payment also. But for conventional, the minimum down payment is 3%. There's advantages to that. It could be used also for first-time home buyers. But then, yeah, minimum is 3, and there it is. For the same price, it gives you the price and the breakdown. And once you go back, you could actually go to the VA option. That's for, I have a lot of clients who are current or former military, and so then this is a great option for them, because if you notice, the down payment is already pre-filled in at 0%. You can buy a house with 0% down using a VA loan, and then of course it saves you money on the payment. The only difference is cost, because the VA, once you look at the details, it shows you there. Here in this case, they have like $18,000 or so for the VA funding fee. That's what they charge. That's just how it is. That's the benefit. That's the cost for utilizing the benefit that you've earned by being military, that you're granted by being military, and then allowing you to have 0% down payment. All right, cool. So check it out. Call me any questions.